RDX English Learning.
Hi, I have a fever.
How high is your temperature?
I feel cold and tired. What should I take?
You can try a cold and flu medicine.
I have a bad headache.
Is it a mild or severe headache?
Do you have something for fever?
Yes, acetaminophen works well.
I caught a cold yesterday.
Are you having a runny nose or sore throat?
My head hurts a lot.
I recommend a pain reliever like ibuprofen.
I feel weak and have a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Can I get medicine for a cold without a prescription?
Yes, we have over-the-counter options.
My nose is blocked and I have a headache.
A decongestant may help you.
What's good for body pain and fever?
You can take acetaminophen or ibuprofen.
I've been sneezing all day.
You may need a cold relief medicine.
I feel pressure in my head.
That sounds like a sinus headache.
Is this medicine good for fever?
Yes, take it every 6 hours.
My cold is getting worse.
Are you also coughing or congested?
Can you suggest something for a mild headache?
Sure, a low-dose pain reliever should help.
I feel hot and dizzy.
You may have a fever. Let me suggest something.
Do you have medicine for flu symptoms?
Yes, this one treats fever and aches.
I have chills and a headache.
You should rest and take this medicine.
My throat hurts and I have a cold.
A cold and sore throat medicine will help.
How fast will this work for my headache?
You should feel relief in about 30 minutes.
Can I buy this medicine without a prescription?
Yes, it's available over the counter.
Do I need a doctor's note for this?
No, you can purchase it directly.
Where can I find cold medicine?
It's in aisle 5.
Is this an OTC medicine?
Yes, anyone can buy it.
What OTC medicine is good for allergies?
This antihistamine works well.
Can I take this without seeing a doctor?
Yes, just follow the instructions.
Do you have painkillers over the counter?
Yes, we have several options.
Is cough syrup available OTC?
Yes, right over here.
What's the best OTC medicine for acid reflux?
This antacid is very popular.
Can I buy fever medicine today?
Of course, no prescription needed.
Is this safe to use without a prescription?
Yes, when used as directed.
Do you sell OTC sleep aids?
Yes, they're on the top shelf.
Which OTC medicine do you recommend for headaches?
Acetaminophen is a good choice.
Can children take OTC medicine?
Yes, but choose a child-specific version.
Are vitamins considered OTC?
Yes, they are.
Can I take this every day?
Yes, but don't exceed the daily limit.
Is herbal medicine OTC too?
Yes, we carry several herbal options.
Can I return OTC medicine if I don't use it?
Only if it's unopened.
Are OTC medicines safe?
Yes, when used properly.
Should I ask before buying OTC medicine?
It's always a good idea.
Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Let me take a look.
This is my prescription.
Thank you. I'll check it.
The doctor prescribed this medicine.
Okay, I'll prepare it for you.
Can you fill this prescription today?
Yes, it will take about 15 minutes.
This prescription is for my blood pressure.
I see. Have you taken it before?
My doctor asked me to take this daily.
I'll explain how to use it.
Is this prescription valid here?
Yes, it is.
The doctor wrote this yesterday.
That's fine. It's still valid.
Can you explain what this medicine is for?
It helps control your condition.
I don't understand the doctor's handwriting.
Don't worry, I can read it.
Is this a one-time prescription?
No, it includes refills.
The doctor changed my medicine.
I'll update it in our system.
Can I get a copy of my prescription?
Yes, I can print one.
Is this medicine covered by insurance?
Let me check for you.
My prescription is on my phone.
That's okay. I can view it.
The doctor told me to start today.
I'll make this a priority.
Can you refill this prescription?
Yes, you have refills left.
The dosage is written here.
I'll review it carefully.
This prescription is for my child.
I'll adjust the dosage.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, right here.
How much of this should I take?
Take 1 tablet twice a day.
How often do I take this medicine?
Every 6 hours.
Should I take this in the morning or at night?
Take it in the morning.
Is it okay to take 2 pills at once?
No, just take 1 at a time.
What's the correct dose for adults?
1 tablet after meals.
Can I take this 3 times a day?
Yes, but not more than that.
What happens if I miss a dose?
Take it as soon as you remember.
Can I take this before bed?
Yes, that's fine.
How long should I wait between doses?
At least 6 hours.
Should I measure the syrup carefully?
Yes, use the measuring cup.
Is 1 spoon enough?
Take 2 teaspoons.
Can I take this with other medicine?
Let me check first.
Do I stop after 3 days?
Yes, unless your doctor says otherwise.
Is it safe to increase the dose?
No, follow the label exactly.
How many times can I take this in a day?
No more than 4 times.
Can children take the same dose?
No, children need a lower dose.
Should I take it at the same time every day?
Yes, that works best.
Do I take this daily or only when needed?
Take it only when needed.
How long does 1 dose last?
About 6 to 8 hours.
Can I stop once I feel better?
Yes, if it's not an antibiotic.
Does this medicine have side effects?
Yes, it may cause drowsiness.
What side effects should I watch for?
You might feel dizzy or tired.
Is nausea a common side effect?
Yes, it can happen.
Will this make me sleepy?
It might, especially at first.
Are there any serious side effects?
Rarely, but call your doctor if you feel unwell.
Can this upset my stomach?
Yes, take it with food.
Will I feel weak after taking this?
Some people do.
Is headache a side effect?
Yes, but it's uncommon.
What should I do if I get a rash?
Stop taking it and call your doctor.
Are side effects worse at night?
They can be.
Can this medicine cause dizziness?
Yes, so stand up slowly.
Will this affect my sleep?
It might cause sleepiness.
How long do side effects last?
Usually a few days.
Is it normal to feel tired?
Yes, that's common.
Can side effects go away on their own?
Yes, often they do.
Should I stop if I feel sick?
Call your doctor first.
Can this affect my blood pressure?
Slightly in some people.
Is vomiting a side effect?
It's possible, but rare.
Will this cause weight gain?
Not usually.
When should I seek medical help?
If symptoms are severe.
Should I take this before or after food?
Take it after meals.
Can I take this on an empty stomach?
No, it's better with food.
Do I need to eat before taking this medicine?
Yes, have a light meal first.
Is it okay to take this before breakfast?
Yes, that's fine.
Should I avoid food with this medicine?
No, food is recommended.
Can I take this with milk?
Yes, that's okay.
Do I take this after dinner?
Yes, right after eating.
What happens if I take it without food?
It may upset your stomach.
Should I wait before eating?
Wait about 30 minutes.
Can I take this with snacks?
Yes, that's fine.
Does food affect how this works?
Yes, food helps absorption.
Is this better taken before meals?
Yes, take it 30 minutes before.
Can I drink coffee with this medicine?
It's better to avoid caffeine.
Should I take it at bedtime with food?
Yes, a light snack is okay.
Can I take this after lunch?
Yes, that's recommended.
Does it matter what I eat?
Avoid very spicy food.
Can I take this with juice?
Water is best.
Should I eat something first?
Yes, to protect your stomach.
Is it okay to skip food?
No, try to eat something.
How long after food should I take it?
Within 10 to 15 minutes.
Do you have a generic version of this medicine?
Yes, the generic works the same.
Is the generic cheaper?
Yes, it costs less than the brand.
What's the difference between brand and generic?
The ingredients are the same.
Can I switch to a generic medicine?
Yes, unless your doctor says no.
Is the brand name better?
No, both are equally effective.
Does insurance cover the generic?
Yes, most plans prefer generics.
Will the generic work as fast?
Yes, it works the same way.
Can I choose the generic instead?
Of course,
Why is the brand more expensive?
mostly because of marketing.
Is the generic safe?
Yes, it's FDA approved.
Can children take the generic version?
Yes, if the dose is correct.
Does the generic taste different?
It may taste slightly different.
Can I ask my doctor for generics?
Yes, many doctors recommend them.
Is the dosage the same for generic medicine?
Yes, the dosage is the same.
Will the generic look different?
Yes, color and shape may vary.
Do you recommend brand or generic?
I recommend the generic.
Can I get generic medicine without asking?
Yes, we usually offer it.
Is the generic always available?
Most of the time, yes.
Why does my prescription say brand only?
Your doctor requested it.
Can I change to generic next time?
Yes, just let us know.
Is this medicine safe for children?
Yes, but use the child dosage.
Can my elderly father take this?
Yes, but at a lower dose.
Do you have medicine for kids?
Yes, we have children's versions.
Is this okay for a 5-year-old?
Yes, follow the label carefully.
Can seniors take this daily?
Yes, but monitor side effects.
What medicine is best for children's fever?
Children's acetaminophen works well.
Does this medicine affect older adults differently?
Yes, they may be more sensitive.
Can babies take this syrup?
Only if the doctor recommends it.
Is this dose too strong for my mother?
Let me adjust it.
Do you have sugar-free syrup for kids?
Yes, we do.
Can children take adult medicine?
No, that's not recommended.
Is this medicine safe for toddlers?
Check the age limit first.
Should elderly patients take this with food?
Yes, that's better.
Does this medicine cause drowsiness in seniors?
It might, so be careful.
Can I crush this tablet for my father?
Only if it's not extended release.
What form is easier for children to take?
Syrups are easier.
Can older people take this long term?
Only under a doctor's advice.
Is this medicine okay for pregnant women?
Please consult a doctor first.
Can kids take this at night?
Yes, if it's not a stimulant.
Do seniors need a prescription for this?
It depends on the medicine.
I'm allergic to penicillin.
Thanks for telling me.
Can this cause an allergic reaction?
It's rare, but possible.
What if I get a rash?
Stop taking it and call your doctor.
I had a bad reaction before.
Which medicine caused it?
Does this medicine contain peanuts?
No, it doesn't.
I'm sensitive to certain drugs.
I'll check for interactions.
Can I take this if I have allergies?
Yes, but monitor symptoms.
What are signs of an allergic reaction?
Rash, itching, or swelling.
Can this medicine cause breathing problems?
Very rarely.
Should I carry allergy medicine with me?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I'm allergic to sulfa drugs.
I'll avoid those.
Can food allergies affect this medicine?
Sometimes, yes.
What should I do if I feel itchy?
Stop taking it and seek help.
Have people reacted badly to this medicine?
Very few cases.
Can I test a small dose first?
Follow the prescribed dose only.
Should I tell my doctor about allergies?
Yes, always.
Can children have allergic reactions?
Yes, watch them closely.
Is swelling a serious reaction?
Yes, seek medical help.
Can this medicine trigger asthma?
Rarely, but it can.
Should I stop if I feel unwell?
Yes, and contact a doctor.
Do you have this medicine in syrup form?
Yes, we do.
I prefer tablets.
Tablets are available.
Can I get capsules instead of tablets?
Yes, that's fine.
Is this available as an ointment?
Yes, for external use.
My child can't swallow pills.
Syrup would be better.
Do you have chewable tablets?
Yes, for children.
Is this cream or ointment?
It's an ointment.
Can I crush this tablet?
Only if it's not extended release.
I don't like capsules.
Tablets are an option.
Is the syrup sugar-free?
Yes, it is.
Which form works faster?
Liquid works faster.
Can I apply this ointment twice a day?
Yes, as directed.
Is this medicine available as a spray?
No, only tablets and syrup.
Do capsules dissolve quickly?
Yes, in the stomach.
Is this cream safe for skin?
Yes, avoid open wounds.
Can I switch forms later?
Yes, just ask.
Is ointment better than cream?
It depends on the condition.
How do I apply this ointment?
Use a thin layer.
Can I take syrup instead of tablets?
Yes, same dosage.
Which form is best for kids?
Syrup or chewables.
How much does this medicine cost? It's $12.99. Is there a cheaper option? Yes, the generic is cheaper. Why is this medicine so expensive? It's a brand name product. Can you suggest a low-cost alternative? Yes, this one works the same. Is the generic much cheaper? Yes, it's about half the price. Does insurance cover this medicine? Let me check for you. Can I get the same medicine for less? Yes, with a store brand. Is there a discount available? Yes, with our membership card. Do you have a smaller pack? Yes, that one costs less. Why are generics cheaper? They don't have marketing costs. Can I switch to a cheaper brand? Yes, if your doctor allows it. Is there a price difference between forms? Yes, syrup is usually more expensive. Can I buy just a few tablets? Yes, we can adjust the quantity. Is this the lowest price available? Yes, it is. Do you accept coupons? Yes, we do. Is online price cheaper than in-store? Sometimes, yes. Can I return it if it's too expensive? Only if unopened. Are store brands reliable? Yes, they meet the same standards. Can you recommend the best value option? I recommend the generic. Is there a payment plan? Not for OTC medicines. How long should I take this medicine?
Take it for 5 days.
When should I stop taking it?
Stop after the full course.
Do I take this until I feel better?
Yes, but finish the course.
Is this for short-term use?
Yes, only for 1 week.
Can I stop after 2 days?
No, complete all the doses.
How many days is this treatment?
7 days total.
Do I need to take it every day?
Yes, without skipping.
Is this medicine for long-term use?
No, it's temporary.
Should I continue if symptoms improve?
Yes, finish the medicine.
When will I see results?
In 2 to 3 days.
Can I take this for more than a week?
Only if your doctor advises it.
What if I feel better early?
Still finish the course.
Is it okay to stop suddenly?
Not without medical advice.
How long does one bottle last?
About 5 days.
Should I keep taking it daily?
Yes, at the same time.
Can I extend the treatment myself?
No, consult a doctor.
How long is this prescription valid?
For 1 month.
Is this a lifetime medicine?
No, only short term.
Should I return if symptoms don't improve?
Yes, see a doctor.
When should I come back for a refill?
Before you run out.